We'll discuss about plant Papaver somniferum, commonly called as poppy. This belongs to family Papaveraceae. Its whole plant is economically important part, especially fruits and seeds are more economically important. If we see the poppy plant, its external characters, we can see this part is its shoot system and it's attached to soil by means of root system. Root system is taproot type. Now this part bear leaves and this is its inflorescence bearing a flower which is present singly, so solitary inflorescence. Now we can see here when flower has to be produced, this is bending toward the soil like this. This is a bud of the flower. So this is toward the gravity. So this is showing positively geotropism. And when it matures up, this becomes straightened up like this. So this opens up. Its color is here scarlet red. And this is the fruit of the poppy. This is also fruit of the poppy. So this plant is good to look at. So this is grown as ornamental plant. This is green in color. So this is herbaceous plant. This completes its life cycle in one season. So it is annual. And if we see its leaves, they have an ovate or oblong shape. And they show incisions like this. So they are pinnately lobed. And they are attached to the stem alternately. So they have alternate arrangement. They are arising from the stem here directly. So sessile in nature. They are called as implexical because they here when they encircle the stem, its base is broad. So this is implexical. Pinnately lobed. So these are its leaves. If we see its flowers, they are showy, big in color. And they may be having white, purple or scarlet red. But here color is scarlet red. Now if we see the flower, this part is petal. And this part is stigmatic disc which is present in the center. And this part here, these are the stamens which are surrounding the stigmatic disc. Later on, this flower will ripen to form the fruit. So this is the fruit of the poppy. This is its stigmatic disc. Here pores are present. So this is capsular fruit. So this is called as porocidal capsule. And if we give the incision, white latex will come out. All parts of the plant of poppy, they contain latex. We can see here beautiful fruit of the poppy. And this part which persists, this is stigmatic disc. And this is also having lobes like this. And this is its lower part which is globose in shape. So fruit is capsule, large globose, stalk because it has stalk. And this is topped by persistent stigmatic disc with deep marginal lobes. So this is about fruit of the poppy. Now if we see seeds, they can be black in color or they can be white, so called as khaskhas. We can see here, this is the khaskhas. This plant has medicinal value and its active principle which is used in pharmaceutical industries or pharmacological active principle of opium reside in its alkaloid because this is rich in alkaloid. Most important alkaloid is morphine. Other active alkaloids of this plant are papaverine, codeine, noscapine and thebaine. If we see the economic importance of the plant, from this plant, crude opium is obtained from the unripe fruit or capsule of the poppy plant. Crude opium is rich in 35 alkaloids. All the alkaloids, they have medicinal value. Most active alkaloid is morphine, which is constituting 8 to 13% of opium. This is narcotic in nature. नशा सा होता है, ड्रग है, पर ड्रग जो है इलीगल, इसका यूज़ जो है इलीगल है. इट इज़ नॉट लीगली अलाउड. This induces sedativeness, sleep and calmness. This is analgesic in nature. This reduces pain. Antispasmodic because muscles when they contract, expand, right? It is, and when they bear pain, this is spasm. So spasm of involuntary muscle is controlled. Hypnotic, this induces sleep. Then it is used in many cough medicines. This reduces the pain. So this is pain reliever. This also helps in controlling diarrhea and vomiting. This regulates blood pressure and bleeding. And when it is used in excess, then it may have toxic effect. Its overuse may induce respiratory diseases as well as depression, coma and death. If we see the codeine, this is analgesic, reduces pain, used in whooping cough medicine. The noscapine, this is antitussive in wet cough. ड्राई कफ होती है, एक गीली कफ होती है जिसको हम वेट कफ बोलते हैं. दिस मे बी यूज्ड एज कफ सप्रेसेंट. दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन कंट्रोलिंग ब्रोंकियल एस्थमा, जो सांस चढ़ना, एस्थमेटिक प्रॉब्लम होना. पल्मोनरी एम्फिसीमा, जैसे किसी भी वजह से लंग्स की कैपेसिटी डिक्रीज हो जाए या शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग हो जाए. देन पापावेरी एंटीस्पास्मोडिक, अगेन स्पाज्म जो मसल में हो जाता है, पेन हो जाता है, उसको कंट्रोल करना. एंड इज़ यूज्ड एज ए वेसोडायलेटर टू रिलीव पेन इन कोरोनरी एंड सेरिब्रल थ्रोम्बोसिस, रिलीफ इन एस्थमेटिक प्रॉब्लम्स. जैसे कोई ब्लड में क्लॉटिंग हो जाए या ब्रेन में क्लॉटिंग हो जाए, या जो हमारी जो आर्टरीज या वेन्स हैं उनको डायलेट करने में या ब्लड की सर्कुलेशन को इम्प्रूव करने में दिस हेल्प्स. देन कैप्सूल्स ऑफ पॉपी कंटेन ट्रेसेस ऑफ ओपियम. जैसे इसके जो फ्रूट है, बिकॉज दे आर सोर्स ऑफ ओपियम, तो अगर उनको जैसे स्टीम करके उनका इन्फ्यूजन लिया जाए तो उसमें सूदिंग इफेक्ट आता है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ सर्टेन सेडेटिव इफेक्ट. पीपल हु स्टार्ट टेकिंग ओपीएम एज ड्रग, पहले उनको मज़ा आता है, प्लेजरेबल सूदिंग इफेक्ट, जैसे ड्रीम्स, विजन्स आते हैं. धीरे धीरे इसकी आदत पड़ जाती है, एडिक्शन हो जाती है. और फिर जो भी इसको लेता है एज अ ड्रग, तो उसकी जो फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी, मेंटल एंड मॉरल डिग्रेडेशन, तो अल्टीमेटली इसके ओवर यूज से डेथ भी हो सकती है. पॉपी सीड्स जो है इसके, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे आर रिच इन डाइटरी फाइबर्स, they are rich in iron and magnesium. They are good for bone health and they also reduces blood clotting. Brain के nervous system के लिए बहुत important है. Then they are also important for inducing pregnancy in females. They improves the female fertility. जो fallopian tube block हो जाती है उनमें से mucus को remove करने में help करता है. And then people who are not able to sleep, opium poppy is effective in inducing sleep. This is used in many medicines. This creates calming effect and reduces stress. Then it also improves digestion. This also overcomes constipation problem. As we discussed, this is good for cardiovascular health. Blood को थोड़ा thin करता है और उसकी जो movement है blood की उसमें भी help करता है, because its seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Its seeds also helps in controlling the cholesterol level, fat level. And they also improve the circulation of the blood because it is rich in iron. तो ये cardiovascular health के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. Regulates the blood pressure. Then its seeds are good for eyes also. Rich in zinc and antioxidant. They improves the vision and they protect against many eye diseases. Good for mental health. पॉपी का एक्सट्रैक्ट बनाया जाता है, एक सिरदई भी बोला जाता है, सिरदई भी इसकी बनती है, और भी बहुत सारे ड्रिंक बनते हैं, बहुत सारे शरबत में भी इनका यूज़ होता है. दिस रिड्यूसेस द स्ट्रेस हार्मोन कॉर्टिसोल इन द बॉडी एंड हेल्प्स इन कंट्रोलिंग द स्ट्रेस लेवल्स. Poppy seed is used in cooking also. This is used in many baking products, biscuits, bagels, muffins, cakes, and in halwa also this is used. This is used in making many preparations. Then its seeds, they also are rich in oil called as poppy oil. Poppy oil is used for cooking purposes. Culinary purposes mean cooking purposes. It is also used in the manufacture of paints, soaps, and also in the ink of artists. This oil helps in controlling the diarrhea and dysentery. Diarrhea is loose watery motions and dysentery is when with the motion blood is there. So this is bloody diarrhea. Poppy seed oil is kind of semi-drying oil. What is semi-drying oil? When the oil is exposed to air, this partially hardens up. So whole plant of the Papaver somniferum is important. It should not be used as drug, but it has lot of medicinal value because it is rich in alkaloids. So this is all about Papaver somniferum. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.